Hi, I'm Rick with Gardens by Rick, and we're going to show you how to prune bushes in this clip. A healthy shrub that creates flowers does not want any dying flowers on it. So, like this camellia here, you go and you find the dead flower and you pull it off, and that is usually the easiest one. This one that's still attached, you give it also a pull, and if it needs to be cut to the next leaf, you do so. But generally, when you're going to prune your bush, you look for any dead branches. You look for any crossing branches in here. This is actually a fallen branch from this tree. And any crossing branches that are going on here, you want to take them out. Any branches that are growing, intersecting another one or sharing the same space, you can cut them out. Anything of course dead, you cut it out. And you basically shape the shrub based on the needs, and you got to be careful. You have to definitely know what time of the year you're pruning, and some plants don't like to be pruned at certain times of the year. So you want to make sure you read what that particular plant's requirements are, and you prune during the appropriate time. Rick here with Gardens by Rick, and that's how you prune your bushes.